everyone, welcome to Yourpedia and this is Shikha. So friends, if you are also preparing for the group discussion for campus placement, PSUs or any other organization, Yourpedia is the most authentic platform which is making you prepare for every kind of group discussion. So today the topic of discussion in this particular video is securing elephant corridors. As we are already covering current GDs on Yourpedia campus placement, and you can watch a series basically all the relevant I can say the current topics of this week, the previous week or like that. Okay? So today this topic securing elephant corridor is a concern basically for both for human habitat and the you can say the animals and the species, flora, fauna, you can say the natural vegetation basically, and specifically it is concerned related to elephant, right? As it's a huge creature and it's a species basically, so it always used to be acquired a lot of land, and its safety is also very necessary from the human activities, right? So basically India's rich biodiversity and majestic presence of its elephants, the issue of securing elephants, I can say it out, securing elephant corridor has gained significant prominence. Of course, it is basically these vital pathways crucial for the survival and the well-being of elephant population across the country, not India, but yes, in the country basically, right? Now, why this issue is raised is basically for elephant home shrinking, right? It is getting smaller due to people needing land. Then it comes to elephant can't move freely. Roads are there, farms are there, cities are there, which is blocking the natural path. Then it comes to more trouble with people. Of course, जहाँ पे एलिफेंट अच्छे से मूव नहीं कर पाते हैं बेसिकली, या फिर अगर वो मूव कर लेते हैं तो सारा फार्म, विलेजेस, वो बहुत सारी चीज़ें डिस्टर्ब हो जाती हैं, जिससे कि आप कह सकते हो कि ह्यूमन हैबिटेट डिस्टर्बेंस क्रिएट करती है. और देन human beings always used to be take the revenge of that on they used to be they don't understanding the natural vegetation basically. Then it comes to keeping elephants healthy. Of course, corridor helps elephant find mates and stay healthy as a group. Yes. Protecting nature's balance, elephants are important for the forest they live in. Then realizing the problem, of course, scientists and nature lovers have shown how important these corridors are for elephant to survive. This is the issue this is the issue basically, that why it has been raised and why it is in the discussion these days. Now, why elephant corridors are important? Keeping elephant families healthy, let elephant move naturally, less trouble with people, of course, कि कोई trouble create ना हो, कि दोनों habitat accordingly move कर सकें. Then keeping nature balanced, of course, and helping elephants deal with the climate change. ठीक है? If weather changes basically, corridors can allow elephants to move the near areas that are better for them. Yes, it's very important. Then it comes to what are the problems in keeping elephants corridors safe. Now, problems are a lot, but yes, due to increasing population of human as well, natural vegetation or natural species are not able to move freely or kind of. Forest being broken up, yes, that is deforestation is there. People moving in, people are making homes everywhere. No strong rules are there. There is no as such legal formalities related to this. Then conflicts with people don't know how to help enough basically. Of course, they just understanding their will, their wishes and their needs. They are not understanding the needs of the animals as well, right? Dangerous roads and railways, then digging for resources, of course, and then elephants used to be afraid to move, right? Then how we can make elephant corridors safe? We need to implement the strong laws basically to protect elephant corridors. Okay? We need to go for the proper resource management for this natural vegetation. Then buying and connecting lands, making safe crossings, okay? Underpasses, overpasses, जहाँ से elephant safely basically cross कर सके. Then it comes to fixing and caring for forest, okay? And working with local people, stopping conflicts, then using technology. Okay? These are the basically things how we can make this corridor safe, right? Getting more money and trying new ideas basically and planning carefully. These are the things basically how we can go with the to help elephants or to help to secure basically this I can say the elephant corridor. because this is a part of environment and this is something very important which is getting disturbed due to human activities. So this topic is also in very current. So yes, you must read about that what is the current news related to that and what are the important relevant examples you can include in that. So I have given the skeleton of this particular topic. You can download this documentation and can read it out. So yes, go for that. All the very best. Good luck.